On September 12, 2025, the Tripura Law Clerks Association, established in 1969, held its biennial election on Friday at the association office building. The election will form a new 13-member committee. According to a member of the association, voting began at 11:30 am. A total of 31 candidates are contesting the election for the 13 positions on the committee. The association, which represents law clerks across the state, holds the election every 2 years to elect its leadership and executive body. The newly elected committee will be responsible for managing the association affairs, advocating for the rights of its members, and promoting their professional development.
বার্ষিক সাধারণ সম্মেলন নির্বাচনে টোটাল 31 জন প্রতিদ্বন্দ্বী করছে। তার মধ্যে 13 জন নির্বাচিত হবে। 13 জনের কমিটি গঠন করা হবে। সকাল 11:30 থেকে নির্বাচন শুরু হয়ে ভোট গ্রহণ পর্ব শুরু হয়েছে। বিকাল 4:30টায় ভোট গণনা শুরু হবে।
Reported by Abid from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.